Hi. Okay, today I'm gonna show you about the new work portal. Okay, let's get started. So here is now new work portal. Okay, let me log out first. So I can make this. Tell me what you're looking for. Okay, this should be the screen when you log into the portal. It will require sign in. Okay, here we are. Yeah. The home page of the portal is console. You can access console right here. Yes. And from the console you can have quite a few options. Approve post will approve all the posts that is pending posts and waiting for approval will be approved when you click the button. So the order for you to run is first you need to approve all posts, and you will run filter scam to categorize all posts into good posts, scam posts, duplicated posts, and then you can approve requests. This is not a command in the order chain. This is the two main key. It was marked by the blue color. So approve post, then filter scam. Approve request is to approve all pending requests and get the user information. Okay, so you just need to click the link, click the button for the bot to run. Okay, I will show you a bit. Here is the credential information. You can click edit, accept change, update the credential information, include Visa token, update token, name, Facebook token, Facebook pass, and you can declare list rule, declare list admin, competitor, and contact. Okay, now we have setting where you can declare time zone, scan duration, and vision chunk. You don't need to worry about vision chunk. Just leave it at 10. Okay, come back to the console and run. Okay, let's get started. I will run the filter scan. So when you click filter scan, it will present you with the job ID. Every time you run filter scan approval or approve request, it will generate that action was a job, and a job has a job ID. And the status of that job, if you can see here, is processing, which means that the bot is still running. And if it changed to done, it means the bot has finished running, and every information was logged into this box. You can see if it works or if there is any bug happening. So you can see it's run successfully. So to see the result, you just click in that link. Okay, so you can see all the posts from the job ID by line, each post per line. So to filter the post, you can filter, yes, I click in the title. So if you want to delete the post, just tick in, and click delete post, and the post will be deleted. So I will tell you something. You can see here There's a lot of posts here, but why there's only 2 posts appear in the result? Because previously someone has already run the filter scan, and many posts were already saved by previous job. So in this job, there's only 2 new posts that are not being scraped. So you want to see the full list of posts that's scraped into the system. You can click here and go to post review. That's where you can see the list of full posts. So you can see here we have the job ID A85 96D, and we can look up the job over here. Yes, and that's the post. Yes, so you can filter the job post by. Okay, now I will do some delete. Or you can click your link here to go to the post. Okay, to delete the post, try to click in here and click delete post. Okay, I will try the other post, some other post. Here is the post I know. Okay, I will delete this box. Okay, just click in here and click delete post. And just wait for it to finish. Okay, you can see it's running. Yes, and it's finished. When you see the spider close, it will be finished. So you can see the status of this post is normal. When you click delete post, it will be changed to deleted. You will check it out here. Yes, the post has been deleted. And in the database, and refresh it. So you can see here the post has been deleted. The status changed from normal to deleted. Yes, you can see it here. This has been deleted. Yes. So, and finally, I want you to compare 2 views. The first view is when you click the job ID here. It will show all posts that generated by that job ID. And when you click here, post review, it will show all the posts that have been scraped ever since, include the posts from this view. And you can just filter the job ID here to see it will come up with the same view as here. Yes, that's the difference of two view, outcome view and the job ID view. And also from the job ID you may have 90 posts, but in the job ID there's might be 2, because whatever posts are already been saved into the database will not show up here. It will show up in the review outcome, and you can filter to see that. Okay, and that's going to the end of the tutorial. There will be more function update, including user permission, export, all the stuff. Also, you can see the request review here, where you can see the information of everyone that was approved into the group here. Yes, and I will add the new function so that you can export into a CSV file. Thank you for listening.